Hello everyone, TwistNCoils here. So today we're going to do some triangle box braids the knotless way. So we started off with freshly cleansed hair. So here I'm blow drying her hair. Yes, she fell asleep. I just popped in these clips. They're from Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me to see a lot of the behind the scenes that goes on. So yep, we washed her hair, we blow dried it, and then we're going to proceed into the style. Y'all, sis is all the way asleep. And you guys talk about the dryer being loud. She slept. It's not loud, it is soothing. She went right to sleep. So here I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I do my knotless braids. They're definitely different, and I'm gonna pop in, actually I'm gonna leave a link down below of a video that goes in a little bit more detail on how to do the knotless braids, but I'm gonna go over it here as well. I didn't show the parting process because I have a video already on how to part the triangle parts. I always pre-part my sections. I don't leave the rubber band on because I don't want the added tension. I normally just take the rubber band off. Here I'm adding my product, and I believe I'm using the Shine & Jam. I'm going to split that hair in half, and I'm going to take that top piece and I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces. So I have the bottom piece down there at the bottom, which is the 4th piece, and then I have the 3 pieces at the top. So it's kind of hard to see, but I'm placing it on the 3rd leg of the braid, and I am plaiting. After I plait one time around, I'm going to add the bottom piece in as well and begin to plait. I know you can't see anything right now, but just bear with me. I'm going to show it again. Okay, so shout out to IA Photog for coming in and helping me get these angles. I didn't record a whole lot because, again, I felt like my hand was blocking the camera. So I split that section in half, and then I'm breaking that top part into 3 pieces. And then I'm going to take and add the hair in. I'm just going to place it on and make sure I grab all the 3 pieces I just created, and I'm going to begin to plait. After I plait it, I'm going to then grab the bottom section into the braid as well. So, and that's pretty much how I do my knotless braids. Okay, so I left the braids kind of loose at the ends because I'm going to add the curly hair to the end because she wants it to be curly like her sister. So that's what we're going to do to the end. So I'm just adding the curly hair in on the ends only. So you're just going to add your product and smooth it through. Split that section in half. And then you're going to take and break that section into 3 pieces. Okay, so now that you have your 3 sections there, you're going to place the hair and you're going to begin to plait. You already have the 3 pieces of hair, so you're just going to twist it in and grab all of those sections you already created, and you're going to begin to plait. Okay, and once I've made one complete plait, I'm going to go and grab the hair that was left at the bottom and pull it into the braid as well. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box for the video that goes into a little bit more details, and I also try to show more angles as well because hubby wasn't here to record the whole time, so these were the best shots I got. So I hope you guys were able to grasp what I was doing here, and again, I will leave the link in the description box for the video that goes into more detail. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys how I add in the curly hair, and I'll leave a link down below for the hair that I'm using here. So I'm just taking a very small piece and I'm going to add it into that braid there. I'm just going to simply hold it and add it into that 3rd leg of the braid and begin to plait. And then I'm going to take and secure it with a little knot and just snip off any excess pieces of hair that I have left. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll definitely leave all the links in the description box as well as the products used. Here I'm just showing you we did a half up, half down look, and she really enjoyed that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers and current subscribers for hanging in with me. And you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.